In this video, I will show you how to fix pictures thumbnail previews not showing in Windows 11. So as we can see, we have some pictures and thumbnail preview is not available. So to fix this problem, just you have to change one setting. Click on these three dots, options, and here click on view and unselect this option, always show icons, never thumbnails. So unselect this checkbox, then apply, then click on OK. So as we can see, all thumbnail preview is available now. So thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel.